morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you could like, comment, subscribe, I'd appreciate that as well. I'm going to be going through all the packages that you see here in front of me. I purchased off three different sellers, and I got some other packages, the ones in the gray box or the tan boxes from Dick's Sporting Goods, JD Sports, Finish Line. Yeah, just gonna do an unboxing, so let's just jump into it. I got these from Facebook though. As you can tell, it is a Jordan Retro 3 reimagined. Got the pamphlet right here. These are clean. These are very clean, I cannot lie. But got another size 6 in the pamphlet, obviously. Then you got a size 10. Jeez. I honestly wish I knew how to pronounce his name. Like I said, he's good people, good business. I'll probably end up buying shoes from him again if he gets anything decent. Next up, we got some shoes and a hoodie that I got from Patrick. This is the second time I've done business with him, and this time he hit me up with like pretty good numbers, and I didn't really have to work too much with him honestly on this one, so it was a pretty easy deal. Can't complain there. So first up, I got the Essentials hoodie, size small, but color sand. Interesting, but the yellow Jordan 1 box. We got some taxes right here. An interesting size too, a size 12.5 right there. Shoe number 1 right there from Patrick. And now we got a grade school size Jordan right here, Jordan Retro 3. Oh, got a sneak peek. But some more reimagined, just a grade school size though. Got these for retail, couldn't complain on that deal. Next up, you see a Jordan 11 box right here. What colorway though? Some cherries. Size 9. No, these are a clean shoe. These are 100% going back up towards next Christmas. Jordan Retro 11 cherry. Next up, you already see what it is, the Jordan Union box. The recent drop that they had. Jordan 1 Low Unions. Pretty clean, honestly. I like the Velcro part too. Jordan Retro 1s. Definitely a tough purchase, but for the price, you really can't go wrong. I can see these going up in the future, but we will see. Jordan Retro 1. What the heck is it? Dark marine and blue or something like that, I'm pretty sure. Fortunately, you got this one from StockX. Look at this price tag. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. How disrespectful of me. completely forgot to shout out my guy Kyle. Don't remember his Instagram at 100%. I will be tagging it in this video, probably right here. Got this pair from him. He gave me it for retail. I ended up giving him an extra $5. But know him because I played hockey with him way back in the day, so it's kind of cool. I haven't seen him in forever and ended up buying shoes off him, and that's how we met back up. Here's from Dick's Sporting Goods. I believe there's 3 pairs in here, but there might be 4. Not like 100% sure. We'll find out. Yeah, I'm not sure how they or what they did to this box. A box in the box. Interesting. I've never seen something shit like that. What size we got? 6, 5.5, and a 5. So we got a 6.5 from Patrick, 2 6s that are men's sizing, and then we got a 6, 5.5, and a 5 from Dick's Sporting Goods. Another pair of Jordan Retro 3s right here. Some more Reimagines. Oh, sheesh, Dick's. God damn. Oh my goodness. Well, that's a little unfortunate. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera, but oh yeah, no, you can definitely see that. Weird lump right here. Interesting. More 3s. More 3s. Do these have the lump? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And this one came untied with a weird ass sticker on the tongue. What the heck? Alright, Dick's Sporting Goods. That might be the last time you get my money. Oh, thank goodness. Yeah, nah, this can't be acceptable. Look at this. What size is this? This is a size 5.5 right here. Look at the width difference. Like, what is going on here? Bruh. How is this acceptable? Those ones look fine. This is ridiculous. And the toe box too, bro. Look at that. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but that's ridiculous. They look like 2 different shoes. I got that defective pair. Ridiculous. Let's continue. The shoes from Kyle, Dick's Sporting Goods, JD Sports Finish Line, maybe Foot Locker. So the other thing about these shoes right here too is 2 pairs that my mom ordered got canceled. 2 pairs that my sister ordered got canceled. I tried to order at least 4 to 5 more, and like doing different addresses and stuff and using different cards and stuff. but they didn't go through. They all got canceled. My buddy was supposed to have a package come in sometime last week or sometime during the week, and I guess it got rerouted and now it's back in Georgia. Not sure what's going on there. And I think that's about it. But yeah, very unfortunate, and I honestly wish I bought more sizing on these, but let's jump into it. First off, shout out Kyle. Thank you again for the purchase or for the deal. So we got some Jordan 1 Low Dessert Berries right here. These are a clean shoe, I personally think. These retailed for $90. Next up, what size is that? Another size 5.5. Jordan 1 Low Dessert Berry. Package got absolutely clapped in shipping. So these ones are from JD. We got a size 4.5 and a size 4. Ooh. So it looks like these were kind of open in shipping. We'll switch it up a little bit real quick. Size 4, Jordan 1 Low, grade school obviously. Lucky green. Let me know what you think. I honestly want to know. I personally think these are a decent shoe right here. I think we'll be able to make a couple bucks on them, some bricks, but we'll see. Jordan 1 Low, Lucky green. Next up, size 4.5. Dessert berry again. Let's see. Whoa. Size 5. Jordan 1 Low Dessert berry. Size 6. Jordan 1 Low, another one. Question is, what other sizes did I grab? 3.5 wide. I honestly wish I ordered more, but it is what it is. Size 6.5, Jordan 1 Low. Dessert berry. Let me know what you think. What do you think about these? They're clean, they're trash, they're bricks. They're gonna sell, they're gonna sit. Let me know. Leave a comment down below. Thank you for tuning into the video. If you like the video, leave a like. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment. If you don't do any of those things. It doesn't hurt my feelings. I'd appreciate it if you did though. But there it is, 20 pairs unboxing from three different sellers and a few different other companies. But that is it for today. Peace.